Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I will going to take one trade and will explain you in detail so that you can learn as well as apply it in your live trading sessions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, we are on the live chart, and first of all we will analyze the chart, what are the conditions, and then we will try to apply our strategy and we'll take one live trade. So as you can see, we are on the chart and the current trend of the market is looking like an uptrend. So our main aim will be to take the trade in the direction of the trend as much as possible. But if we have the opportunity with extreme levels, we will try to go against the trend also. And if you are new to this channel and don't know about what I am talking about, you can watch our previous videos so that you can get a fair update about this strategy. So as you can see, market is moving in the downward direction right now. Let me draw some levels here, and we'll start with here. So we have this resistance level, a trend line, and currently what I need is the market to break through this level. And let me draw some extreme levels. I can see that this is an extreme level here. Yes, this is an extreme level. Okay, yeah. So let me draw the area, and okay, fine. So we have an area of extreme levels. I will remove this because we don't require it now. So as you can see, we have this extreme level of resistance. This is an extreme level, which means that this is very strong. We will use $100. Okay, and let me increase the time frame. So this level is very strong and it can reverse the market for some time. So if we have the opportunity, we will try to take a reversal from this level, and if we have a breakout, we will take the breakout as our trading setup, because the market is in a consolidation phase for the last 15 minutes. So if there is a breakout, it's a good trading opportunity also. Right now we have to wait. We have understood the chart. For me, we can have two opportunities at this level. Either we need a breakout or we need a reversal. Both depends upon the market. Let's wait and watch how the market will react on these levels. And let me find one more level, one more chart. Okay, so we will go with Euro US dollars, and let me analyze the chart. Okay, so the general trend is uptrend and market is in retracement phase, and it gave a breakout here. You can see this is a breakout, and this is again a retracement phase. And let me draw. Okay, so we have this, and I will remove it. So I guess we have here a breakout actually. You can see this is a breakout. It's a clear breakout. So what I need, I will wait for some retracement and then we will going to place our trade. As you can see, it's a good breakout. So let's wait for this candle to finish and then we are good to go. Okay. I'm just waiting for this candle to finish and then we will place our trade. It's a clear breakout. You can see it's a clear breakout, so I will place my trade. So we have placed a lower option, which means we are putting our money that the market will go in the downward direction. And let me explain you why I took this trade. So if we go by price action, the general trend was uptrend, but if we look carefully on this chart, you can see that market is trying to break and is trying to change its trend, which you can understood by this price action. You can see it is making lower highs and lower lows, which is a sign that market is going in the downward direction. You can see these are the levels which I'm talking about, lower highs and lower lows, and that's why I placed my trade, because there was also a breakout. You can see a breakout from this trend line. So these two reasons forced me to place our trade, and the volume was also very good. You can see the candle market reached till this level, so it was a clear sign that market wants to go down in the downward direction, and that's why I placed my trade. So let's wait for the result, and after the completion I will explain one more time why I took this trade. So let's wait and watch. So we have won this trade, and let me explain to you again what are the setups. So as you can see, first of all, let me remove it. So the first thing which I noticed in this chart was that the market was moving in the upward direction. That means that the market's general trend was uptrend. But the second thing which I noticed, that market is creating lower highs and lower lows, meaning that market is trying to go in the opposite direction, which is downtrend. It was trying to go in the downward direction. That is why it was creating lower highs and lower lows. The third thing which was very important, which was this breakout. You can see this candlestick broke through this support level of this trend line, and which confirms me that market is actually trying to go strongly in the downward direction. Why? Because the volume was very high. Look at the strength of this candle. The volume was high, the momentum was very high, suggesting one thing, that sellers are motivated, and that's why I placed my trade, because I found the breakout, the momentum was there, the volume was there, the price action was also signaling that market wants to go down, and that's why I placed a 5-minute trade in this trading setup. So I guess I have explained the complete setup in as easy language as possible. But if you still have some doubts, ask me in the comment section. And if you find value in these videos, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends and family. That's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.